Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to download and how to install Fingerprint driver on your laptop. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, launch any browser on your laptop and after that guys, type here your laptop company name here. Okay, so if you have Lenovo, type here Lenovo laptop driver download. If you have Dell, type here Dell laptop driver, and if you have other company, just type name and press enter. So we have Lenovo, so we have type here Lenovo, and after that guys, click here this link, driver and software. Now guys, type here your laptop serial number here. If you have, type here. If you don't have, we just find it. Okay. So follow this step. Right click on taskbar and click here task manager option. After that guys, click here file and run new task. Click on it and type here this box CMD. Okay. And check this checkbox. After that click here OK button and enter a command here WMIC BIOS get serial number and press enter. So guys, this is your laptop serial number. Okay, copy this number and enter here. Okay, enter here the serial number. This is your laptop serial number. Same as this, type here and after that click here this arrow button. So guys, there are three options: automatic update, manual update and get recovery media. So click here manual update, select driver. After that guys, select your operating system here. If you have 10, select here 10. If you have 11, select here 11. So we have 10. So check this checkbox. And after that guys, find your fingerprint driver. So this is your fingerprint driver. Click on it. And after that guys, click this driver. Download it. Click on download. Now guys, open download folder. Now right click this driver and click here run as administrator. Now click here next, accept this license and click here next, install and install finish. Now guys, after that restart your PC. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.